Okay, I open my browser, then I type the Visual Studio Code so as to get it. So after showed up, I go to the download tab so as to download it fast. So after I click that, I get the three vision: Windows Vision, Linux Vision, and iOS Vision. So for me, I use Windows, so I downloaded the Windows Vision. So I click on Windows. Yeah. After clicking that, it tells thanks for downloading that. It will start downloading automatically. So, but I cancel it because I already installed it on my computer. So let's look on what next. So after download it, after install the Visual Studio Code and launch it, it look like this for the first time. It looked like this in the picture I showed it you. This, yeah. Okay, this help us to write code, but we must have a debugger so as to run our code. You know what I'm saying? So let's check whether throughout them if we have a Python debugger. So there is some command we can write in the terminal down here so as to look whether we have a debugger or not. Some people may have a debugger and does not recognize it. So let me check by writing Python debugger. If it's already installed, it will show the vision of debugger. I write that Python then hyphen vision, then two hyphen then vision. Okay, it will show the app like this. You see? Okay, but if you have already installed the Python vision in your computer, it will show up like this. That vision will show up. That vision, you see that there is 3.11.9. It will show up whether it's 3.7.07.9, maybe it will show up, but you may need to update it. Okay, but if you don't have a debugger, it will show an error. Okay, now let's look on how to install the debugger. Yeah, let's look on how to install the debugger. The next step, we need to look out on how to install the debugger. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, over here. Okay. Step 1, go to the Python website. That is python.org in the bracket here. Okay. Find the download tab. Okay, you can find the download tab on the python.org website. Download the latest version for your operating system. Yeah. Okay. There are so many operating system like Windows, Linux, iOS, yeah, something like that. All of it are operating system. So on different computer favors different operating system, but mostly iOS and the Windows. and Linux. Yeah, that's all I know. That's all I use Windows. But for this computer I use Windows. So I will go by window. Yeah, I will go. Yo, let's look on how to install the Python. Okay, I click the Python Maharaji and I click the link, then it will show up like that. Okay, I find the download tab, then after I find the download tab, you see that there is Vision already for Windows, so I download that because I use Windows, so I download that. If you have another system, it will come the vision of that system over there. So after that, after download it, but now I don't download it because I cancelled because I already installed it on my system. So after I install it, let's see how to run code for the first time. Okay, with Python debugger. Okay, after I click the new file, and then I click the Python, and then I write the command, maybe print a code. I print the hello world. Yeah, I print the hello world. Yeah, let's print the hello world. Okay, okay, okay. Let's hello world. Yeah, world. After I wrote that, I click the F5 for run it. I need to run it on my system, on my terminal. Yeah, on my terminal down here. So I need to run it on my terminal. So after I click F5, it will show up on my terminal like this. You see? Yeah, I love the terminal because I can clear my stuff by writing clear, and then I clear it. Yeah, you see there. So thank you for the lesson. Thank you for listening me. Thank you. Your support means a lot to me. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my channel. I need you guys.